Hello friend, today we will show you a very complicated and hard puzzle. See the position on the board carefully. Here black king has no space, he is in prison. Black can move only this pawn and bishop. And your challenge is white to play and win. Can you give the continuation? If you know so many techniques, then and only then this can be solved. Now I want to give hint to solve this puzzle. If, see this position, if this king reaches on here c8 and bishop is on check here, then he will be mated. But what is the problem? Hindrance is this pawn. This pawn will go here first and promote queen, then this bishop will to retreat back and king will get shelter on here and game is drawn. So it is a race between king and pawn. This pawn, if this king reaches here first, then he will be mated. If pawn is reaches here first, game is drawn. Here are three tricks in this to solve this. First is, this position is judge one. If it is black turn now, then white can win easily. So here, white will use triangulation technique to lose move. Another caution is, white, black, this pawn is very important. If this pawn is captured by white, then he will go king here and no one can stop mate. If white tries directly to move along c8, then what will happen? Let's say king is here on e4, bishop h2, he cannot move pawn, pawn will be lost. Then king f5, let's say f3, king e6, f2 and king d7 and pawn queen. Now in the race, black wins. Black moves here first. He achieved the goal first. So game is draw. Because this bishop is to be retreat here, king will get shelter here. And game is drawn. We will take back and will show winning variation. This was the initial position and here white has to lose a move. And here, where is the triangle? This is the triangle. See, here, this is the triangle. Here, white can, but it is not possible at first step because if king will play here, then bishop will go here. How this f2 is controlled? So here, white will play a blank move, bishop c8. Now what to do? What black can do here? Black will, only option is bishop h2. Now see this triangle. Now white will use triangulation technique. See this move here. He will come here, here and here. So king f2 is played, then bishop check, e2, then bishop is moved, let's say here, and king f3. And now black will play only move bishop on g3 and white will come back his bishop on a6. This was the initial position, exactly the same position, but difference is it is black to play now. By triangulation technique, white loses a move. Now what black can do here? Black has only option to play bishop on h2, then king will go to e4. Now what to do? He will play bishop g3 only move, then king will go to f5. Here black cannot play this pawn here because he will get back on here, keeping pressure on both bishop and pawn, and one piece will be lost. So here moving of pawn is not possible. So what to do? black is bound to move bishop. So bishop h2 is only move. And here white gets tempo and will reach here first and will win the game. King e6, f3, king on d7, f2 and king c8. He achieved the target first. Now black is so late, no use. If queen is promoted, bishop will go to here, b7 mate. So you saw this interesting position. If you liked the content of this video, please comment and share with your friends. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. Keep watching Gupta Chess 15. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.